everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be sharing my instant potato curry recipe generally called as Aalu ki sabzi. This recipe will surely remind you the kind of sabzi that we get in local street shops or dhaba. So without wasting much time, let's start the recipe. You would need 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 1 chopped tomato, half cup of thick curd, juice of 1 lemon, 2 green chilies cut longitudinally like this, and few coriander leaves. You would also need some whole spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 dried red chili, and some dry spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for that beautiful color in our curry, and salt to taste. Okay, so now we are done with the ingredients part. Let's quickly start the cooking process. In a pan kept on medium flame, I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now into the hot oil goes our whole spices and dried red chili split into halves. And when these spices start crackling, add a pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, and all the other dry spices. Stir it for some time, and you better lower the flame at this time to avoid the spices getting burned. Now add the potatoes, breaking them into irregular chunks like this. Mix well and let them cook like this on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now when our potatoes look a bit fried and have taken all the taste and aroma of spices, we will add half cup of water along with half cup of curd. As soon as you add curd, stir it very quickly, otherwise there are chances that your curd might get curdled, which we don't want. After giving a good mix, add chopped tomato and green chilies, mix it well again. And now we will keep this covered on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes have passed and our potato curry is almost ready. All the oil has come to the top, it has separated very well, and it looks beautiful orange in color. And lastly, we will add lemon juice and garnish it with some coriander leaves. Mix it properly, switch off the flame, and your potato curry is ready to be served. This potato curry tastes amazing with poori or paratha, and its preparation time is so less. For more such simple and tasty recipes, subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up to this video, and thank you for watching.